Turning ideas into digital reality.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Welcome to Tom Tech Hub. Today, we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you have to do is to open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code for Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to teach how you do it on Windows. So you can choose from any one of these. So I just choose this one. And since I'm using Windows, I'll use this one. But if you are using Mac OS, you can use this one. So I'll use this one. I need to start downloading. But since I have it, I'll pause it. Yeah. So for me to install it, I have it here. So all that I have to do is to double tap on it, double click on it, and click on OK and accept the agreement. Next, you can create a desktop icon, whichever way you want it to be. Next, then install. So the process of it then will be done. But since I have it, I'll cancel it. So now we want to download the Dart and Flutter extensions. And the first thing you have to do is to open the VS Code. After that, you click on the extensions tab. But so you have to search for that and click on the first one. Now, since I've already downloaded it, there won't be any install button showing over here. And the next thing you have to download through is the Flutter extension. So you just search for Flutter and download the first one.
Subscribe, like, and share.